allow us to introduce you to Guadalupe Canyon, our favorite outdoor recreation area on the planet.
2 hours into hike, Petroglyphs. There's a table rock, like a plateau, that's suspended above the desert floor, and it's high enough where you can walk inside, and there's petroglyphs all over it. These, I believe, are from the Pai Pai. I'm gonna need to check my regional, local historic knowledge. We have a woman and a man, got some animals, got some dancing people.
This hike is situated just beyond the Guadalupe Canyon oasis where we're camping. The hike features a series of 9 crystalline pools, some with waterfalls. Today we're headed about 3 hours in to pool number 6.
We almost gave up like 50 yards before we got to this after almost 3 hours of intense hiking through soaring temperatures with minimal water. Lo and behold, it's on the other side of the rock.
The payoff is definitely worth it, although the hike is rather intense with a trail that is not clearly marked and in some cases requires scrambling over rocks and shimmying through very difficult to navigate passages that feature such perils as snakes, cactus, and slippery slopes. Getting out to the Guadalupe Canyon Oasis recreational area includes a drive along an empty lake bed, known as Laguna Salada.
So down in the main area of the camp right here, you've got a very humble little store, the tienda, which is constantly understocked. They do have a few sodas, and last night they had some beer. They had a couple of strange cans of fish, some kind of canned foods, but definitely not the provisions that you would need for a trip out here. So you got to pack in what you're going to need, and you might be able to top off some of your provisions, but it's definitely not very substantive in there. You got some flush toilets over here. Those are pretty nifty to have when you're out in the camping, but you should bring your own TP, pro tip. Besides that, it's a very rustic campsite here, and that's part of the charm for sure. Just getting out here, as you'll see from the road conditions, is not for the faint of heart, and certainly not for anyone lacking a high clearance vehicle or all-wheel drive. Recommended 4-wheel drive for sure. Hello, let's go scorpion hunting.
We didn't find any scorpions, believe it or not, but we did manage to take some awesome light painting photography using lightsabers.
We've been a bit lost, but these cairns have guided us safely back towards camp. That and this lightsaber. Did you get a little bit scared?
I got really scared. I thought we were lost. I thought we were gonna be those dumb campers that went off hiking in the night, didn't bring water or a jacket or anything, and died.
But we're not. We're at where the home fires burn.
I made this fire.
Who made the fire?
I made this fire. We found no scorpions, but we found our way home.